हर एक के ग्रुप में एक चूचा है, एक लाली है, उनकी जिंदगी में भोली है।
3 रहते हैं। अरे आपके पापा का नाम सच में बिल्ला है।
तुम्हारी चूचे की एक मासूमियत है ना जो लोगों को क्यूट लगती है।
मैं बनूंगा उसकी आंखें, पंडित जी उसका हाथ।
और भाई तूने नहीं बताया मैं क्या बनूं। वन देयर वाज अ सीन जिसमें मुझे फ़ोन अपने सर पे मारना था गुस्से में। आप मानोगे नहीं, सिर्फ उसके मैंने 22 टेक दिए थे।
Hey guys, my name is Shravan Shah and today I'm going to be having a conversation with the cast and maker of Fukreti. What's up guys? How are you guys doing?
Awesome!
Whoa! And energy. What a trailer guys. What a fab
Thanks,
trailer. मतलब
man.
काफी हंसे हैं हम. But listen, I mean this we saw Fukre in 2013 and it's back for the third time and it only gets bigger and better. How do you actually manage to do that all the time?
You know, I mean, I'm the wrong person to be taking credit for it. I think a lot of this is stemming from what the writers do, which is what Vipul, Mrik sit in a room, and I think, like Mrik said yesterday, like which is why I realized that I'm wondering why it's taken him 4 years. So he said most of the time they're only sitting, ordering food, watching films, and then maybe once in 3 months they get inspired by something. Then this kind of a. So I think it comes from them, right? But I mean, hats off to them to think about even like certain scenes, the way they brought it, and it's so seamless woven into the screenplay that it feels organic. It just feels that it's not forced. Which is, I think they do amazing what they are at, you know. And that is why you see on screen what you see. The characters move on from the same place, right? So you're seeing a connection between what happened in 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. It's just not there's a new episode starting or there's a new story going in. So he somehow brings in the story of where you leave them at 2 and why is that going to change and where it takes them, the journey.
Sense. Also, Richa loves the English, the Bholis he's speaking. What's this English? Please explain. When she's standing at the podium and she's like, she says a lot of things and I'm like, what is she trying to say? She's become a politician now. How is she trying to?
Actually, if you remember the end of part 2, she goes in with the CM in the car. So obviously, Boli being Boli and being a business lady, she's going to try to further her career. And she probably thinks कि छोटी मोटी चोरी क्यों करे, अब हम बड़ा
देश को लूटेंगे.
Boli being business lady.
Business lady.
Don't you remember in part 1?
Yeah,
She's
of
like
course,
more
so
I
many
wanna.
काफी सारे businesses हो गए.
So yeah, now this is the fun thing in this part.
आप बनोगे चूचा के क्या?
मैं बनूंगा उसकी आंखें, पंडित जी उसका हाथ।
और
भाई तूने नहीं बताया मैं क्या बनूं।
भाई तो उसका
left hand बनोगे आप. Nice. No, but listen, I like the progression characters have had, right? With, you know, part 1, part 2 and now part 3. Also, like, it literally looks like you all have not aged, all of you all. You all look exactly the same and I'm like, please explain the process for that.
I think Excel can afford a really good grading and DI process.
We're giving honest answers also now. Now being honest also.
सी जब पहली बनी थी हमें नहीं पता था कि हम दूसरी तक पहुंचेंगे, लेकिन जब दूसरी बनी तो हम पीछे पड़ गए कि हमें तीसरी पे पहुंचना है. सो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस हैव हैड इट इन द बैक ऑफ आवर माइंड्स कि हमें तीसरा पार्ट करना है, तो भाई थोड़ा संभल के पकौड़े खाओ, थोड़ा संभल के बिरयानी खाओ.
Not me. Not you.
तो हम सब ने तो माना, इसका हमें नहीं पता.
मैं ही सबसे ज़्यादा सिमिलर लग रहा हूँ फुकरे 1 से लेके अभी तक.
Just talking for himself. He's like, I don't care about the others. I am looking exactly the same.
about the others.
Yeah, what is this behavior,
He's
Manjot? Why are you so selfish?
Manjot, what is this
Selfish,
behavior?
कहते हैं सेल्फिश होना पड़ता है.
Comedy as a genre.
Yeah.
Okay. If you're doing the take, then like the first time you're doing the take, and if there's a humorous line in it, if it does not go through, when you do it the second time, how do you actually manage to do it with the exact same timing so that वो punch timing?
That's a process. And break, मतलब shoot पे जुगलबंदी चलती रहती है. We always try to do something interesting with every take, and Mrik also has a certain beat to his writing, to his scenes. Vipul has a certain beat to it. So we all try to, and luckily we are all in sync to understand कि हाँ ये नहीं निकल के आया अभी तक. So we have to, जितना हम नरेशन में हंसे हैं उतना हम देख के या महसूस करके नहीं हंस पा रहे. So it's not there yet. Let's do one more.
You're asking a magician how do they do their tricks. They'll never really.
That's true. Yeah, look at it. Look at them how they're beating around the bush nicely. Yes,
In
Manju.
फुकरे 1 there was a scene जिसमें मुझे फ़ोन अपने सर पे मारना था गुस्से में. आप मानोगे नहीं, सिर्फ उसके मैंने 22 टेक दिए थे.
सर फोन पे बात नहीं.
सर मैं ऐसे
Public
गुस्से
ने
में.
publicly कर रहे थे, camera off. 21 takes में camera was off.
और वो चांटे वाला सीन भी तो था.
गलती मेरी थी, मैं नहीं बोलता कि मुझे असली में मारना जोर से.
इसको नहीं पता था कि 20 टेक होंगे.
He's like, damn, I'm literally going through it. But did you all crack up while even, like, I'm sure you all would crack up, right? While shooting the scene also.
Of course, yes. There are a lot of times when we all do, and as Pulkit also mentioned, we all have like kind of started our journeys together, right?
Yeah.
So the comfort level is like it's like a family. So there is no inhibition, there is no hesitance, even if someone has a thought in their head कि भाई इसके अंदर ना ये कर देते हैं. And that comfort level also with Mrik sir also gives that comfort to whatever's in your head to improvise, to do something and all that. Most of the times whatever we used to like kind of bring in was something mad and all that. But there's no inhibition of like kind of saying it, like
Yeah.
putting it out there.
Yeah.
But certain things कभी ना कभी Mrik sir के एकदम से कुछ दिमाग में आ जाए, he said we all used to crack up.
Yeah.
And then we used to like kind of implement it and do it. And I think comedy is it can't be one man's show, right? It has to be like something, even if he says something, it will land by the reactions of
Yeah.
something,
Yeah.
or vice versa. So it's a collective effort which is kind of, that's why it's also said that it's one of the toughest genres to
Yeah,
kind
for
of
sure.
crack.
Between all of y'all, who's the easiest to crack first?
Easiest to crack.
I think
Richa.
me.
Richa.
Yeah.
You just start laughing.
Yeah.
I laugh, it's hard.
And then she doesn't stop.
That's why we stopped trusting her.
Yeah.
But listen, like he was saying, you know, with other genres, people still, you know, you have that kind of thing to improvise. But do you kind of, like, is it very easy doing that in a comedy to improvise?
It is easy to improvise in a comedy, but because our director is also the writer, along with Vipul Vig, of course, तो उनका बहुत एक specific, बहुत precise punch है.
Yeah.
For the punch to land, we have to listen to him. It also depends on the maker.
Yeah.
आप improvise कर सकते हो कि नहीं. Mrik आपको छूट दे देते हैं जहाँ पे he's like if his structure is set, he'll be like play.
Yeah.
But if it's a dialogue, उसका pause, उसकी beat, उसका laughter, उसका like जो first part में एक line बहुत famous हुई थी, तो बिल्ले का लड़का है. तो literally I just copied him because I was not getting it. He was like, just get lost in your thought and go, हैं? हाँ बड़े अच्छे. You know, this is something that वो because he's the writer. वो और वो line इतनी चल गई.
That's true.
आज तक इसके पापा को लोग बिल्ला बुलाते हैं, बिल्ला अंकल.
बिल्ला अंकल. बिल्ला अंकल.
DM आते हैं, अरे आपके पापा का नाम सच में बिल्ला है.
But Pulkit, what is it about Fukre, according to you, that draws the attention all the time? Because I was reading the comments today on the trailer also, and I'm like, there was not a single comment where people were like, कि यार ये क्यों करे? Because a lot of times when, you know, a film that you've loved so much, when they come back with a part 2 or a part 3, you feel like, yaar, now you're literally ruining the experience.
Right.
But this is one of that film that actually takes that experience, it keeps taking it a notch up all the time. It is never like, कि यार ये क्यों बना है?
Because it very rarely happens that, you know, you get a sequel which actually maintains the soul. It still has the same world, the same characters, the same madness, just magnified much more, and
Yeah.
there's more fun into it.
Yeah.
And it, again, the entire credit goes to the writers and Mrik, ki, you know, they have actually lived this world. They are from those kind of areas. They
Yeah.
are from Jamna Par. They have lived with these characters, literally. So it becomes much more easier, and it becomes even a bigger responsibility coming out with a sequel कि यार, because we ourselves are very big fans of Fukre, तो हम खुद भी disappoint हो जाएंगे अगर हमें नहीं अच्छा लगेगा कि यार ये क्या किया है हमने, हमारी soul intact नहीं है इसमें. It is actually very easy to improvise, and over improvise is even easier कि आप फैल जाओगे उस पे.
Yeah.
But that is where Mrik comes into the picture and he knows his world. He is like, भैया यही तुम्हारी सीमा है, इसके अंदर जो खेलना है खेलो, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी इसमें.
Yeah. Manjot, how many times has this happened that यार मतलब you can be a part of anything, but people will always remember you, you know, the character that you played in Fukre, and it will keep happening, and you know, right? Like there's whenever the Fukre 4 comes, 5, we're gonna, I don't know how many Fukres we are making, but जब तक बने, आपको पता है ना, people will keep calling you that character.
यार आई थिंक उसी के लिए तो मेहनत करता है इंसान कि आपको उस नाम से जाना जाए.
Yeah.
तो आई फील सो ब्लेस्ड एंड ग्रेटफुल कि यार इतना स्टार्ट कहाँ से किया और आज इस लेवल पे आज हम यहाँ बैठे हैं सारे और आप ये क्वेश्चन भी पूछ रहे हो. सो ये भी बहुत बड़ी बात है एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी.
Your favorite part about Chucha and that you think connects to the audience every time you come?
Not only Chucha, I think the entire Fukre characters, the entire storyline of the first, second, and hopefully with the
Yeah.
third one. I think, Shravan, it really resonates with a lot of people.
Yeah.
And I think that's why when you said, when you were asking him also कि कैसे
connect
लोग
करते
अभी आप comments पढ़ रहे थे, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है भाई कि हर एक की ज़िंदगी में ना एक हनी है, हर एक के ग्रुप में एक चूचा है, एक लाली है, उनकी ज़िंदगी में भोली है. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी रिलेटेबल.
Yeah.
It's very relatable, and that's why I think with the grace of God, the love the franchise has and as characters like
Yeah.
have got. I think it's because of that. It's because of the innocence. It's because of the simplicity, and it's
It's
because of
also
the
the
relatability.
innocence of your character. तुम्हारे
of us,
चूचे
yeah.
की एक मासूमियत है ना जो लोगों को क्यूट लगती है.
मतलब वो
It
घर
becomes
के
like a
बच्चे
thread,
लगते हैं, मुझे
you know?
लगता है
Yeah.
ऐसे कि आपके खुद के घर के बच्चे हैं वो.
But the last one coming your way, guys. You all have to describe your characters in 3 words.
I'll just say what you'll see in the movie. जमुना पार की निडर लेडी प्रत्याशी भोली भोली पंजाब.
She's cracking up.
चतुर, लोमड़, काफी चतुर.
ऑनेस्ट हलवाई का बेटा.
Honest हलवाई.
ऑनेस्ट हलवाई का बेटा कि ऑनेस्ट हलवाई का बेटा.
वैसे वाइस वर्सा.
Vice versa.
Innocent. I think carefree
Yeah.
or best friend for the gang.
For sure. But thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for
Thank
talking
you,
to me.
thank
All
you.
the very best for Fukre.
Thanks,
And
yeah.
Thank you.
I mean, like I said, keep coming back with Fukre 4, 5.
So please tell people when is it releasing, bro?
Fukre is releasing on 28th of September. So please go to your nearest theaters and book your tickets.
Now.
You'll see this mad bunch. They'll crack you up, and probably you will never want to have ice after that. I'm going to see you guys super soon. Till then, this one is a wrap.
Thank you.